Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back sa ating eating contest sa mais at saka sa mangga eating contest with bagoong soy sauce, vinegar and brown sugar. Okay. Good for the manggis. Sorry guys, I have asthma. Balik-balikin ko. I am asthmatic person. So, meron akong mga cup, ubo-ubo. Sa kuka man yan, tubig. Get some water here and there and everywhere. Oops. Okay. So this is my YouTube channel. In the room, I have also my YouTube YouTube studio in my room. I have also a YouTube studio in my sala. This is also me. Nakahubad. Yan. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe Drone for Life. This is my new member. Kaya pinipicture ko siya. He's my new member. Dalawa yung member ko lang, si Ma'am Fatima Shahida at saka si Drone from Life. So, kayo gusto niyo magpa-member, palagi kayong i-pictures, charot. So, pa-member na. Charot. Saka, shout out din kay Ma'am Shen. Hindi ko sa membro, pero membro na rin siya sa akin. As for me, she's also a member of my channel. Okay. Kayong lahat. Anyway, si Drone for Life. Mag-play tayo ng isang rock and roll na video niya. Ito lang, ito pinaka-latest niya 2 weeks ago. So, let's play one of yung TV ko nga pala. This is a Sharp TV connected to laptop. Yung laptop ko nasira yung monitor, kaya dito ko na nasa sa TV. So, yung TV rin medyo sira din konti, pero dahil sa system yun ng laptop. Yan. Drone from Life is from, I think, Germany. Ito, plug niya. So, rock and roll. Thank you for being my member. I always play your videos. And then, the playlist, and then your latest videos. Okay. Thank you for subscribe, being my member. Okay, kaya pinipicture ko siya. Si Ma'am kanina si Shen, piano salon, na-picture ko na. Na-picture ko na rin si Ma'am Honey. So, si Ma'am Honey Vlog, na-pictures ko na. Binigyan ako ng super thanks. She give me super thanks. Thank you Ma'am very much. 10 Hong Kong dollar. God bless. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Okay, that's it na. So, while watching Drone from Life video, that's it muna. Tapos after a while, after eating, half of the video, for 5 minutes yata, 8 minutes lang yung video ko. So, mga 4 minutes, mag-shout out na naman tayo dito sa oops, ano yun? Ito sa, advance shout out, kay Phil Rock. Yan. Si Rock and Roll. Yan, saka si Saki Village, yan. Saki. Shout out. So, parang gutom ako. Kain mo ako. Ganda ng kanyang video. Drone from Life. Yan. Ubos ko na yung banana. Fried banana. With caramel. Sarap. Grabe. Ganda ng graphic ni Learn from Life, oh. Check out tayo, guys. Harap din sa video ni Learn from Life. Ayan, maganda naman. Hap lang, hap. Para walang copyright. Hap lang, hap. Ayan. Other half is bagoong. Yan, para maka-shout out tayo, guys, ha. To shout out tayo sa nagpapunta sa channel natin, si Saka Belits. Yan. Yan. At saka yung ating friend na si Lisa. Yan. Liza and Tony Vlogs. Yan. We have also Tinong Pam Vietnamese. Yan. Tinong Pam. Yan. Vietnamese channel. Then we have also yung Soki ko, yung my Soki. Si Karines lang from Germany. Yan. Germany or Vienna. Christy Nicola. Ito yung mga yung shout out ko. Ito yung nag-comment ngayon. Panggabi para ako. So yung pang-umaga hindi pa na shout out da. Puntahan ko yung pang-umaga be. Panggabi lang to. Madaling araw. Siya sa Pakiza Kitchen from Pakistan. Yan. Buta tayo sa kuan, guys, sa umaga. Yung from the morning shift. Yan. Morning shift ito. Ito si shout out Joe. Ito si Joe Malu Shuttle. Ito yung husband niya tanya. She's using the account of his husband Joe. But her channel is kuan talaga. Malu Shuttle. Okay. Tapos ex-Condriano. Yan. Shout out. Hanapin din yung pang-umaga, yung mga sa umaga nagko-comment ito. Example, si Kuan. Ito, pang-umaga to, si DJ Mix Vlog, yung motovlogger, yan. Si Busing. Busing, shout out Busing. Yan. Busing yan. Hanap tayo ng Kuan, iba pa. Ito hindi ko na shout out to, Si PV Ayo Agustin, yan. From Indonesia tata. Hong Kong yata to, Hong Kong. But she's an Indonesian. Okay. So 8:36 na. So off na tayo.